Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Do you know what I enjoy the most during winters? A nice hot bowl of soup. Yes, what's more soothing and comforting than a nice bowl of soup? Today I'm going to share one of my personal favorites. This is beetroot carrot soup. It's very wholesome and very comforting. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken about 4 medium to large size carrots, peel off the skin and chop them into small pieces. Make sure all the pieces are of almost equal size. Next, I've taken 1 large beetroot, peel off the skin and chop them into small pieces. To a saucepan or a pot, add about 6 small cubes of unsalted butter. Once the butter melts, add a piece of cinnamon and 2 bay leaves. Now I'm using butter, so the soup will be very nice and rich and tasty. You can also use olive oil if you like. Next, I'm adding 2 large onions roughly chopped. Just saute it for a few minutes. Next, add about 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. I'm adding the whole cloves. Add the garlic and saute it for about 2 minutes. You can adjust the quantity of garlic depending on the number of vegetables you're using. Now add the chopped carrots, add the chopped beetroot and mix everything well. You can see this beautiful color combination of carrot and beetroot. I love both these vegetables. Add a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Add a teaspoon of pepper and mix everything well. You can see the ingredients are very basic and it's very easy to make the soup. Now that we've added all the ingredients to the saucepan, I'm just going to pour enough water so the vegetables are completely immersed. Give it a quick mix. Close the saucepan and let it cook for 20 minutes on medium flame. After 20 minutes, the vegetables are cooked beautifully. Now we need to cool this completely. While the vegetables are cooling off, I'm just going to make a few bread croutons. To a pan, add a teaspoon of olive oil. Just add some chopped bread pieces and we're going to toast it till it becomes nice and crispy. So you can see the bread pieces have turned to a lovely golden brown color. The bread croutons are ready. Keep it aside. The vegetables have cooled down completely. I'm just removing the bay leaves and the cinnamon piece. Now I'm going to grind the cooled vegetable mixture in the mixer jar. Just add a little water if required to get a nice fine puree. Wow, just look at that color. It looks absolutely gorgeous. That's the combination of carrot and beetroot. Pour the soup back into the saucepan. And I'm going to dilute it by adding a little water to get the right consistency. To add more flavor, I'm adding some fresh basil leaves. Now if you don't have basil leaves, you can also use coriander leaves. So you can check for seasoning at this point and add a little bit of salt and pepper as required. After adding the basil leaves, just simmer the soup for about 5 minutes. The flavors of the basil is infused in the soup. So there you go, the absolutely delicious, hearty, wholesome, healthy carrot beetroot soup is ready to be served. You can enjoy this delicious soup with some nice crispy bread croutons on top. You can serve it with some nice bread rolls and some breadsticks by the side. This is a perfect winter soup. You can also make it any time throughout the year. You get the goodness of both the carrots and the beetroots. It's loaded with nutrients and vitamins. So I've made several other soups. I'll give you a couple of links. You can check them out as well. So this wholesome, hearty and healthy beetroot carrot soup is very nutritious and it's perfect for these winters. So make sure you make a bowl of soup for yourself and you can enjoy it with some bread or breadsticks by the side. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.